It's the Fix Mix Master here. Today we will attempt to restore this old grill, barbecue grill. It's pre-COVID-19, about 20 years back. It's pretty old. Seems to be restorable if I can find the parts. And we will attempt to make it work. It seems to be sitting out here for a long time. You can see the weeds taking over, and the wheel is sunken into the ground. Boy, look at that. All right, so I will attempt to remove the cover here and see what we have. All right, so got the cover off. It's a 3-burner stove. Looks like it has an igniter, and looks like it's in good condition. I just need some cleaning. And there is a thermometer here. Handle looks good. The tray looks good. Need some cleaning on this side. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh boy, look at that. The grill crates and the flavor covers are pretty much gone. Got some peeling of the coating in there. I think that's heat resistant paint or some type of ceramic, thin layer ceramic coating. So we'll attempt to replace some of the parts, do a good cleaning here, and see what we can get from this grill. Now we got the flavor bars out. We can look carefully here. The burner looks good. No major holes. Seems to be in good condition. Just need some cleaning. No rotting, it's just cleaning. All right, so we'll start to clean this guy up. Actually, here is the igniter. It's burnt out, need replacing. A little bit of cleaning and paint looks good. If you look, the side here is good. The side there, the cover looks good. So I will, we don't care about the box there too much because that's gonna burn up again. The front looks good. So we will put the flavor covers in, have them here, pretty heavy. And also I got the grill crates that we'll put in too. These are the 5 porcelain enamel flavor covers, and we'll put them over in their position again. These are new and they're pretty heavy. think a pretty good fit. Now we put the top one back. There we go. Brand new grill again. Looks good. Hope it lasts another 10 years. That's the grill. Looking all good. One more piece. I have this beautiful grill cover. I hope it fits. It says it fits the silver series of the grills.